Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch, and we'll just start with what is on top. Let's be right back. All right, I am back. Get it out of that crinkly bag. So as you can see, it is a wreath, and it has gingerbread people on it, and gingerbread hearts and stars and little what do you call them, peppermint pieces on it. It's really cute. It's only a 40 by 40, and it was $8.19. Comes on a great big piece of paper. Does have the instructions here, how to start, how to finish. Has the product number. It's 40 by 40, and it's 148 by 148 stitches. And the pattern looks good. Has 36 colors. So it's going to be a little bit confettied, you know, here, there, and everywhere. But it does have some bigger areas. But yeah, I just thought this was adorable. So let's see. Let me fold it. Sorry for the reach. Let me see what colors we have. We have no 310 black. We have 321 red. And 326 looks like a brick red. We do have 666 red. No 823. No 939. No 3371. We have 3865 for the white, and that's going to be the background here. So, yeah, if you want to stitch that, you can, but very clear pattern. Very nice. I'm trying to hold it as still as I possibly can. So, yeah, very nice. Very well done. It does come with a toolkit with a bird. Hopefully you can see that. If I can get my fat hands out of the way. There we go. Has 5 needles, poop-ball thimble, and needle threader as normal. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Now the stitching on this side does go a little bit into the key, but the key is nice and big. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Very easy to see. Very nicely printed. Let me hold this up. Yeah, we forgot to look at the thread first. What can I say? We're having a day. We're having a day. Let's see if I can get a hold of it without dropping it. It is on thread drops. But we should have some reds and greens and pinks. And of course, there's your 3865. We have gingerbread color. And greens. Like an olive green and a darker green. We also have a bit of turquoise in there and another shade of green, but look at those reds, reddish orange. We even have neon green. So very nice colors. It's always nice soft thread. Very nice. Oh, and you do have some gold. Of course, we're going to need gold for Garland, right? Okay, let me get this back in its bag so it doesn't go south on me. And there is a sticker on here with the turn it right side up, Laura. How big it is and the product number. So that all matches paper pattern, canvas, and etc. So that's always nice to know. I have hitchhikers over here. Let's see how big this is. The key and all the printing looks very nice. You know, very bold and easy to read. 39.5 or 15.5 inches by 15.5 inches or 39 centimeters. Actual picture size is about 13.25 inches or about 33.5 centimeters. Same this way, so it is squared, but very nicely done for just a nice little kit. I loved it. I thought it was cute. It'll be adorable when it's done. All right. Then I have 2 Joy Sunday want-to-be's. And the other day, I got 2 of these. So there's like 4 in a series. And this one was $2.87. Let me flip it over so you can see what it is. This one says Winterberry Quilt Shop. It says classes here, and it says shop here. But very nice. Lots of back stitching. So the back stitching will make this picture. It's called Christmas Cottage 3, 14 count, 15 by 17. The paper pattern on this will not match the canvas. It has its own. The whole thing is on 1 page for the pattern. We have 17 colors in full cross stitch. You have 4 colors in half stitch, 2 in French knot, and 6 in back stitch. In total amount of threads we have 23 colors. It's 56 by 68, so it's not too big at all, but very well done. You can see where all the little trims and stuff go. It's very nice. Nice and big. It's about an 11 count size, if that makes any sense. Okay. So you have a dark brown here and some red. We have kind of a rustish brown and some tan. 3 shades of blue. Blue to turquoise. I mean, it's very close. Some more greens, a little bit of red. And it does have 310 black. So it's right there. So very nicely done. There's not a whole lot because you'll see here when I show you this canvas, it's a big one. Now, it is very small and very tiny. I'm trying, I don't know if I can get something behind it. There we go. But it's real teeny tiny, itsy bitsy. So these are your regular stitches, your half stitches, your French knots, and your back stitch. But it wouldn't take you too long to do those. They're very nice. And I'm glad that there's 4 of them. I found these when I was looking for something to match that Christmas. I guess it was it a candy shop, maybe? I don't know what it was. Oh, no, it was a tea and coffee place. Yeah. So, very nice. Very well done for, what was that, under $3. Now, this one was $2.87 as well. Let me get it out of the nice Joy Sunday bag. All the instructions on how to start and how to finish, how to wash it, etc. is all on the back of this lovely bag that's nice and heavy duty. Let's flip that over. So this one is called Christmas Cottage 4, and it's the train station. So it says station and arrivals, and it has a clock tower and a couple of wreaths here. It is a 15 by 17 as well. So very nicely done. And this is stamped. See how many colors we have in this one. We have 21 colors for this. So you have 18 in full cross, 2 in half stitch, 2 in French knot, and 5 in back stitch. 56 by 68, same size. Very nice. And there's going to be some back stitching, because the back stitching is actually going to make this picture for sure. But I just thought they were cute. They're teeny tiny, but I thought they'd be a little bit bigger, you know? I just can't imagine centimeters in my brain, so that doesn't compute. Half the time, sorry. Oh, the other one did have 2 needles there as well. I forgot to mention that part. So let's look at the colors here. Oh, about the same, you know, color palette. Very nice. Some dark greens. And they have 310 black. So that's going to be part of the back stitching. There's that rust brown again. And this lovely, looks like bittersweet orange. Very nice. knots. We got yellows and golds. And you've only got one actual red, but you don't have much to do on that. So very nice indeed. Yeah, they're just precious. So if you were looking for a small gift for somebody, you know, that liked cross stitch, but they weren't, you know, in that big of a, you know, into it yet, this is a perfect size because it has lots of straight cross stitch in it. And then they'd have to do the French knots and the back stitching, but yeah, very nice. And I'm sure this one will be the same. I don't think I measured the other one. I'm so sorry. I'm telling you, Thanksgiving just did me in. Okay, it's 5 3/4 inches, or a little over 14.5 centimeters by 17.5 centimeters, or almost 7 inches. The actual picture size is 5 inches, or a little over 12.5 centimeters. And this one is 14 inches. Let us try again. 4 inches or 10 centimeters across. So very nicely done. I just love them. Just gorgeous. That back stitching is going to be a piece of work, you know. I would definitely have to follow the paper pattern, looking at that back stitching to see where it all went. Yeah, but you know, you do all this first, and then you go back and do the back stitch and the French knots and stuff. So very nicely done. Good job. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these 3 lovely kits. Now they are having Black Friday sale. I meant to mention that. Meant to mention that in the beginning, and I will have, if there's any, what do you call them? Discount codes or anything, I will put that in the beginning of this video. And I think their sale lasts from the 12th to the 30th. So very nice. Very nice. And they have just cross stitch and embroidery things. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. They do have a Separate Joy Sunday section, and they also have embroidery. So do check them out, and check out their Black Friday sales, because it's going to last all this next week until we get to the 30th. So that was very nice of them to do that, so that it's not just one day that they're going to have this sale. Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you, VIP, once again, for the beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.